In the silence of a village evening, a child dreams of flying, not just in a plane, but beyond boundaries set by fate. The National STEM Program, where potential meets purpose. Launched by STEM Learning, it gives children a platform to build, question, and shine. With Brillio, this mission took wings. Their belief in grassroots innovation and inclusive education fuels every breakthrough. For many, NSP begins with a moment etched forever: their first flight. From dusty roads to the runway, they don't just fly, they transform. And then, the stage, where students from every corner of India are not just present, but celebrated. It's more than a contest, it's validation. NSP transforms teachers too. They return with pride, having witnessed brilliance they once only hoped to see. Every idea that reached the stage began here, in STEM labs, in mini science centers, where curiosity found its canvas. From local dreams to global impact, NSP has earned its place in the UNESCO Global Education Monitoring Report, a model of inclusion, a symbol of possibility. With Brillio as our partner, NSP is more than a program. It's a movement. It's what happens when corporations back courage with commitment. The sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. Join us, partner with STEM Learning, and help launch the next child's first flight into the future.